Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see about the W3 schools quizzes that is related to Java. So, Java, we are going to see in this video 25 questions covering basics of Java. While covering the bits, I am going to give you small content related to that particular bit also. So, each and every bit carries 1 mark. At the end of the quiz, you will get total scorecard and you will get the correct answers list also if you have answered anything wrong. Before getting started, we have done quizzes on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, MySQL, Python, and PHP and jQuery. We have done so many quizzes before. So go to the playlist and check out the quizzes. And if you have want to learn the HTML concept, CSS concept, JavaScript basic things, and you can go through the playlist where we have created so many videos on other concepts. Also check it out the playlist and learn things from this website, which is a very cool website, which is having tried editor where you can try the things and quizzes are there and excels are there and examples are there. So before getting started into this quiz, I want to mention one thing. If you haven't to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. While clicking the bell icon, click the button called as all so that you will never miss any update from us related to video or any post. So that's all for today. All about Java things. So let's take this quiz. Let's start the quiz right here. So here is the quiz. The first question: what is the correct syntax to output the hello world in Java? So for outputting the particular text content in Java, we use this system.out.println hello world. There is no echo or print such kind of things. We have to use system.out.println. If you include system.out, then you can just use println. So this is the entire path from where we are getting println method. So by this we can print the output hello world in Java. So this is the correct option here. Next, what is the Java is a short for JavaScript? No, no, no. Java and JavaScript are two different things. Where JavaScript is an like a language, a scripting language for giving a dynamic behavior to your web page. Where Java is a programming language, which is having something like that. So these are not a short form of JavaScript. The statement is false. So next, how do you insert comments in Java code? So for inserting Java comments in Java code, we use this double slash. So this is the correct syntax for inserting comments in Java code. So next bit, what data type is used to create a variable that should store text? So for storing text, we should create a string variable like that. So for creating string, we have to use this it's capital string like that. So this Java is a case sensitive, so not use small string. So yes, capital string. This is the user to create a variable that store the text. So next, so how do you create a variable with the numeric value 5? For having a numeric value 5, we have this int type of thing. For int data type, we have numerical values. Int x is equal to 5 is used to create a numerical value of variable 5. So next, variable, how do you create a variable with the floating number 2.8? So for creating floating point things, we have this variable called as float data type. So float x is equal to 2.8. For even if you mention float, you have to give the f at the ending of that number. So float x is equal to 2.8. F is the correct answer for creating a variable which is having a floating number. So what type of method is used to find the length of the string? For finding the length of the string, we have this length method in Java, so that you will get the length of the string. So which operator is used to add together two values? For adding two values like hello plus world, we use this plus sign. To adding together two values, which operator is used for this plus sign is used for that purpose in Java. So next, which the variable of the value of a string variable can be surrounded by single quotes. Like the values is single quotes will tell us a string in Java they are asking about. No, we have to use double quotes for that. So the statement is false. We can go with the false option here. So double quotes are used for strings. So which method is used to return a string in uppercase letters? So for uppercase letters, we have the method called as a two uppercase. This two uppercase is used for that, so that you will get the uppercase strings type of things. Two uppercase is used for that purpose to return a string in uppercase. Which operator can be used to compare two values? For comparing two values, we use double equal to sign, right? In Java also same. For comparing the two values, to declare any array in the Java, we use this square brackets in arrays in Java, like similar see this type of how we declare array in Java, define the variable type with this square brackets. Next, any array index starts with zero in Java. Also, like array starts with index zero, right? How do you create a method in Java? For create a method is just by using the name you can create in the Java, like that. So by using the method name only we can create, but for that we have to use brackets like this. So method name like function brackets, open bracket, close bracket. This is a method to create a method name in Java. So no normal method name dot is not like array, no. So in the brackets, no, you have to write the name. No, this is the correct syntax for creating a method in Java. Next, how do you call that method in Java? The method which you have created, how can you call means by just giving the name brackets we can call, but every statement in Java should end with a semicolon. So method name brackets, open bracket, close bracket, and like a function, like how we call a function, we can call with the name of that name is enough for that. So this bracket should be mentioned and semicolon will be there. So which keyword is used to create a class in Java? For creating class in Java, we should use class keyword, right? So there is no my class or class name or class method like that. We use where a keyword called as class. So next, which is the correct way to create an object in my object of a my class. So for my class, you have to create an object for my class will be there, and the object name is equal to new my class. So this is correct syntax for creating an object of my class. We can see no class keyword is used for creating a object for a class, or new keyword is used. We should use this method like class will be there, and next object you should mention, and new keyword will be there, and you should again use that class name for creating this reference, or we can say. So this is the correct syntax way. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. So from one class to another we can inherit attributes and methods. They are asking, yes, you can inherit those methods and classes from one class to another in Java. Inherit is there. So which method is used to find the highest value of x and y? For finding the highest value of x and y, we use this maximum method, right? So that is present in math. So math dot maximum of x and y is the method which is used to get the highest value of x and y. So this is the correct option. Which operator is used to multiply numbers? Similarly in Python, like for multiplying the numbers, we should use this star multiplier number. There is no cross like that. So next. Which keyword is used to import a package from Java API library? Import is the keyword which is used to import such kind of things, packages in Java. How do you start an if condition in Java? Similarly, like seeing, you can just give if condition and then braces will be there, like that in Java. We also use this kind of conditions. Like similarly in while loop also, while and condition should be in the braces. So this is the thing. This is used for Python, and this is for C, like that. There is no such kind of syntax like condition after while. This is the correct syntax for looping a while loop in Java. Next, this is a keyword to use to return a value inside a method. For returning a value inside the method, we use this return keyword, right? By for returning anything, we use this return keyword in Java also. So next, which statement is used to stop a loop? For stopping a loop, we just use this break, right? So break is the keyword to stop a loop, similarly in the C and Java. So this is the final bit. We have covered 25 bits. Let's see the end score card. We have covered 25 bits. We got 25 out of 25, 100%. We have time spent in 7 minutes 9 seconds. We have spent. So this is the efficiency which I am having in Java. Similarly, you have that much efficiency. You can cover them in little low time only. If you are getting any less marks, you can try again and go to back to quizzes, take other quizzes. You can also check the answers by clicking on the check your answers button, so that you will get all the answers. I have answered all the correct, so all are green color. If you have answered anything wrong, that will be in a red color. You can also know the correct answer here. So that's all for today. We have covered this Java things. I think you have enough knowledge in Java so that you can clear this quiz very easily. If you are not having enough knowledge, then you can go to Java path and you can learn the things, each and everything, and you can have a try it at there where you can try the particular instant only. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding to this Java, you can feel free to in the comment section. Or if you have any suggestions for us to make videos on any other things or any other quizzes, you can feel free to comment in the comment section and share our videos to your friends and colleagues or any batchmates. Like we have covered so many things in our playlist. You can just check out what are the playlists we are having and what are the things we have uploaded. Just go through the things. This may help you to get a exact point what you are looking for. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section. Don't hesitate to comment comment. Your comments are more valuable for us to get any suggestions like the things. Share our videos to all your friends. Keep learning and keep sharing and keep smiling. That's all for today. Bye.